Ewuare II, Burna, Teni, and others don't receive National Honor Awards. President Muhammadu Buhari don sama National Merit Award give 447 Nigerians and foreigners when they do well to serve Nigeria and humanity and constantly make Nigeria proud for different areas of life. Among the people when them honor, na Senate President Ahmed Lawal, Speaker House of Reps Femi Gbajabiamila, Director General of World Trade Organization Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Oba of Benin, Oba Ewuare II, Grammy Award winner Damini Ogulu aka Burna, Teni Akpata aka Teni, and plenty other deserving Nigerians and foreigners. For his speech, President Buhari talks say the people when them honor today, now people when don't fly Nigerian flag wella and constantly make Nigeria proud for public and private sector.
The patriotic Nigerians and our friends honored today have distinguished themselves in various ways for the purpose of creating a new Nigeria of our dreams through respect for the rule of law, image laundering, transparency, and accountability in management of scarce resources. Equally, those in the private sector have also creditably discharged themselves in business, entertainment, hospitality, transportation, and other forms of human endeavors to transform Nigeria.
President Buhari talks his administration will continue to collaborate with Bonge Nigerians to continue to build the country of our dreams.
This administration will continue to partner with Nigerians and friends of Nigeria with like minds in our effort to build the Nigeria of our dream, where everybody will strive to excel in their chosen fields, devoid of parochial sentiments. Let me appeal to other Nigerians who are yet to receive this recognition to be patient and understand that their efforts in nation building are appreciated and at the right time will similarly be recognized.
Buhari constantly say they committed to hand over give the next administration Nigeria when they free from insecurity.
As I stated earlier in my independent address to the nation, I will hand over a Nigeria that is free from insecurity to the next generation of leaders.
Senate President Ahmed Lawal and George Akume, when he talk on behalf of the awardees, promised them will continue to be good ambassadors of Nigeria.
We are all well-meaning and ready to sustain our contribution, be sacrificial in our outlooks, and to be good examples in what we do for the evolution of a virile nation. So help us, God.
It is important to emphasize that holders of the national honors are expected at all times live above board by maintaining the high moral standards and excellence upon which this honor conferred.
6 people received the second highest national award when the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger. 55 received Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic. 65 Naim Consti received Commander of the Order of the Niger. 77 received Officer of the Order of the Federal Republic, while 110 collect the Officer of the Order of the Niger. 74 received Member of the Federal Republic, while 55 can receive Member of the Order of the Niger. 8 people can still receive Federal Republic Medal. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC and be your power. Don't tell them give any politician on the election day.